area Joseph Balikugembe, 3rd Division Command.
Man Balikugembe, anything at a loyal, make that division.
We have a message that we came with from our General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, not David.
Anything look more both General Kainerugaba, General.
You remember when we were in there was a lot of complaints in regard to the cows that were stolen by the Karamajong. General Kainerugaba decided that to stop the criminality, we have to conduct some deployments.
Ni oaki bot General Kainerugaba ni omiarki chakneno kito miarki ket mon kere wekinen kito miarki lo.
And the deployments were effected.
Wego lok me keto mon utime.
And we are also conducting more deployments in Abim.
Wako bedi chane watika medo kin me keto mon mateke adada Abim.
Today we are having a brigade in Abim.
Tina ni dulmon ma beat my loan brigade
that will stop the criminality of the Karamajong entering into Agago and Kitugum.
Weko giklo ka nyua ka Karamaya magente atimone ya Agago nyoy Kitgumi.
They will also stop the Karamajong from entering Otuke.
Wekben ko giklo ka Karamaya medanye ya Otuke.
We are also handling the other side of Bulambuli, Kweni, and Katakwi.
In Benetica Nano, Kon Kaberma, District Mailon, Balambuli, Kwen, Wakikataki.
And we are going to see a serious change on the behavior of Karamajong incursions into Agago.
Opinano, Kita Mache Lokere, Kita Noni, Kita Karmaya, Danakari, Agago, no,
and that is the efforts of our General Muhoozi Kainerugaba.
And a Yekita Kero, General Kainerugaba, Tika Metokere.
Now, after your cries, he promised that the cows that were taken out away by the Karamajong 273 should be given back to you.
The Karma one cock my tech get out to be what you need. Dear Makarma Gamo, me and your Pierre Bear were decky. Batwa.
He sent me with a team that we should hand over these cows to you, those who lost the cows to the Karamajong.
And you try like in looking Joma pat. Maybe no working median and both Jomo when you're doing it.
And I came with the division commander, 5 division.
Maybe no
General William Benomugisha.
If you're looking not my lawyer, we mourn me 5 division. Any man.
We came with the brigade commander, 507.
Man brigade commander me a bit yara bero
Kano Wanyama.
Kano Wanyama. Kenyama madake ba.
We came with Captain Yona who carried the cows after securing them from General Muhoozi, and he had to drive 2 nights to make sure the cows that were promised are here.
Man ye captain Madong Yona modanya nam yami mo woro opinena dek. Now
the message from General Muhoozi.
Look more about General Muhoozi.
He says, receive these cows and protect them. Receive these cows and make sure that you prosper with these cows. He says, don't sell these cows. Make it a symbol of prosperity. Make it a symbol that we are compensated with these cows and we must guard them jealously for our prosperity in our homes. He says, make sure that you work together with the forces to fight criminality within the community.
Kwa luenye kom loranyo mabien ka balo gangwani.
Fight collaboration.
Wa luenye kom joma kubu kin lock ke diaiwani.
And that's how the security situation will be addressed in Agago and Kitugum.
Ene ye wego kita no mier kudwo kere Batwa ya Agago kan ke Kitgum kere.
And he says he loves you so much, he greets you, and he says, may God bless you and you prosper with these cows.
Ni ene maru matek unu beru gok dieni ubet kichun matege wek lonyo kudwo gi chingwo.
On my part, the government does not lie.
Kitung bare government pe bwalo dano.
That's why what the general promised, he has fulfilled it.
Eno wego la dit mon ma dit wata Museveni wajo kibero lobo loke o meti.
Please support the government and be patient.
Ni wachuma tek iko government da fen wa biru makun pe warone.
Now, on the issue of collaboration, recently we arrested some 2 people in Karamoja. And that Karamojong was communicating with somebody in Agago.
And Karamoja chano tika kubeki ngati mo Agago kan.
The Karamojong, still the Acholi criminals here steal the cows from you and hand them over to the Karamojong.
Ni en one no ming ma one kitwa rajoni wa kwanyo die wani kwala o ken wari cho mingo bot Karamoja.
We are intending to open intelligence cell here in Agago.
Bene cho choke wandong wa meru yabo kwene ma ke kerto ke kwere kom jo mane matimo.
And whoever is collaborating, the time is now to be captured and taken to courts of law.
Kache dom ke mage karne bedo tie dom rom ke mo ramako ke chwele court shot direct.
And you should help us also to identify them before we come.
Miere konywa we wan ma put po oge no de nyoto wa jone.
And I want to wish you all the best.
Mirike mare weng do te ameno gum.
And I want to announce the program of giving out, of handing over the cows.
And ben do yo ba te ready me mino kita mirke pop diang kwede de te ready.
These cows are not the politics is not involved at all.
Ne lo be diang enemy. We be obey yeah.
Because when they were taking the cows, they did not bring in the politics of taking them. And when General was giving these cows, he sympathized with the victims. He did not bring in politics. And it is us here who are going to hand over these cows to you, and we shall read out the names so that you receive those cows the way they are. No politics involved.
One and motieni, one you be quano bene nying, or be waju bene kitanga rachela chel ko gam kere, no lock me we be ngo, or pay ye money you begin.
They are good cows.
They are
healthy. They are better than Karamajongo cows. That's why you should be proud. Now we are going to read sub-county by sub-county. We are going to give individuals, not a group of cows to the sub-county, individuals who are victims.
Peke mioni loot ni bot sub county. Ke kwano nyeng joma geno renyo diageni sub county ki sub county enoni yin ngat mane gamo diani yini gamo diani peke mioni lo ni man pe sub county la pano.
And when we read the names,
kache kwano nyeng ba,
when we read the names, you go out.
Teke kwano nyini tap in kem you wako.
After going out, we give you the cows. You go.
Take a key car walk a minute, young
We cannot give out the cows inside here because they will cause commotion and confusion. You go outside the gate, you wait because the name has been read. The soldiers will pick the cows. How many? There are 5. You get 5 with some heifers and bulls. We are mixing. And we expect that people who are going to receive the cows are the real victims minus politics.
Benegenetik warotika biaga wakiloga da ni joma be gamu ko berni no ene joma denu chan joma dien ko wenya da pe en lok me we biete yene.
Immediately after the minister has spoken, we are embarking on
nikingeo yor chochot take minister wa makweriti ken wa kan ta ko lokole tap wando daga lok me pakoti.
And the captain will read out the names.
And jal mukelo diang yedo kwano nying komene.
And we shall give out the cows because we don't know who lost, but we think it is you.
Gene be mio pian ken pe nga mano ruenyo ento do gen kerne lokada ngatu ruenyo en ne.
Afoyo totwara.
Thank you very much because topic wa that